Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the essentials in place before you dive deeper. Confirm your Essentials X license and update to the latest build. Make sure Node 18 and Python 3.10 are installed. Once done, create a dedicated project folder and open your terminal. Run Essentials init to scaffold core files and check the generated config. IML for required fields. This gets you into the working state fast, so you can move to configuration without redoing setup steps. Now configure Essentials X for real-world use. Open Config. IML and set base URL, paste your API key, and set timeout to 30. These values keep requests reliable. Next, connect the database using your DSN and Tune connection pools. Start with one pool per 100 active users. Then enable only the modules you need. Core, auth, sync. Leave beta features off until stable. Make sure to save and run a quick validation command so you catch syntax errors before continuing. Finish by launching Essentials X and verifying it operates correctly. Run Essentials start and watch logs for 200 OK responses and no error entries. Perform a smoke test, log in, fetch a sample resource, and run a sync. If something fails, first check the logs for clear error lines, then restart the service and revalidate credentials and DSN strings. If you still see issues, revert recent config changes and reapply them one at a time to isolate the cause. This narrows down the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.